Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make keto chocolate chip cookies. To begin, gather your essential ingredients. You will need about 1 3/4 cups of almond flour or a combination with coconut flour for that perfect texture. For sweetness, opt for a cup of erythritol or another preferred sugar substitute. Don't forget a 1/2 cup of softened butter and 1 large egg, plus a teaspoon of vanilla extract. Finally, grab a 1/2 cup of sugar-free chocolate chips. Now, let's create that perfect dough. First, in a large bowl, cream together your softened butter and sugar substitute until the mixture is light and fluffy. Next, beat in 1 large egg and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, ensuring everything is well combined. Gradually add your dry ingredients, mixing until a soft, cohesive dough forms. For best results and easier handling, cover the dough and chill it in the refrigerator for at least 30 minutes before baking. It's time to bake your delicious keto cookies. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Using a tablespoon or a small cookie scoop, drop rounded portions of the chilled dough onto a baking sheet lined with parchment paper, leaving about 2 inches between each cookie. Bake for approximately 10 to 12 minutes, or until the edges are lightly golden brown. Once baked, let the cookies cool on the baking sheet for 5 minutes before carefully transferring them to a wire rack to cool completely. Here are some final tips for achieving the most delicious keto chocolate chip cookies. Remember, it is crucial not to overbake them, as they will continue to firm up as they cool. Once completely cooled, store your cookies in an airtight container at room temperature for up to 5 days to maintain their freshness. These delightful treats are perfect for satisfying your sweet tooth without compromising your low-carb lifestyle. Feel free to experiment with additions like chopped pecans or a dash of almond extract for extra flavor.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.